Today, we're checking out the best AI music generator. Just listen to this.
The years come and gone. Prayers for the blessings. I picked up my guitar.
You can make songs like this for free. Just write one prompt and you get an entire song with vocals and instrumentals. Literally any genre, from hip-hop to an actual guitar solo. The tool I'm going to talk about is called Suno AI. I've never tested version number 2, which is supposedly even better. And by the end of this video, I'll actually show you how to edit each individual layer of this song so you can remove the vocals, change the drums around. So let's begin. So first, let's head to Suno AI. This is how their homepage looks like, and they have a bunch of songs here on the homepage. But actually, we're gonna go to the bottom and click on Make a Song. This is how it looks like when you're on the inside. They actually have an explore page with a bunch of these trending songs. I did generate one, and I have 40 credits left, so you start with 50. I'm also gonna show you the price later and what you get with that. But first off, let's actually just go to the trending song. Like this one has 534,000 listens. What? Is it any good though? It's called Mistletoe and Missing You. Oh God. Pop acoustic. Let's go.
Another year's come and gone, and I'm not where I long to be. Snowfall on the city streets, but it ain't Christmas to me. My loved ones gathered around, but there's an empty space nearby.
That I am grooving and almost singing along is alarming. Mistletoe, Missing You. Come on. Grandma's Cherry Pie. And you can see here as well on the right side that they have the entire song with the chorus, verse, and bridge. I'm gonna get into how we make these in a minute. I just want to listen to the top 3, right? This one has 266,000. 2,000 people actually liked it. They clicked on the like button. Hey, I'll do it as well even before I listen. Turkey Time pop song.
Gather round now, it's turkey time. Catching up with all your kin and dime. Feasting on that golden bird so fine. Pass the gravy, pour some wine. Turkey time, it's a country ride. Grab your plate, fill it up, take your time. When the sun starts setting, we'll gather around, singing songs, sipping cider, dancing all night sound. Turkey time, it's a country ride.
Okay. Oh God, they literally have a solo in there. Oh, it keeps going. Okay, you can go a little harder.
It's that time of year with family near, gathering around the table filled with cheer. Turkey's roasting, the gravy's flowing, mashed potatoes piled high. It's Thanksgiving time.
Okay, let chorus one more time.
Turkey time, it's a country rhyme. Grab your plate, fill it up, take your time.
Yeah.
And when the sun starts hitting, we'll gather around, singing songs, sipping cider, dancing all night sound. Turkey time, it's a country rhyme. Turkey time is here again.
A bridge? Okay. Jesus Christ, I can't believe we're here. We have arrived at good AI music. They did try to sneak a little guitar solo in there. I actually wonder if they have some actual good, say, metal solos or rock solos. Even put some John Mayer blues guitar in there. So let's do that right after the third top. A is for Amazing Gospel Soul Choir. Right around 200,000 listens here. We're only gonna listen for a couple seconds.
A is for the amazing grace that we receive. B is for the blessings every day we believe. C is for the chorus, we sing it loud and clear. D is for the devotion that we hold dear. every line we find the strength we need.
Again, just nailing the gospel soul choir genre, but my fingers are just itching to create something on my own. Stop doing this if you're making content. When I first started making content, I wanted to get successful on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. I came up with ideas, scripted, filmed, edited, all myself. It was a bit tiring, and also the stats didn't go up. So I looked for a better way to create content faster, and I found a tool that could cut all the silences, ahs and ums, which save me almost half the time editing. So if you want to take the next step, check out Veed.io's new offer here to crush your 2024 video goals. You get the all-in-one AI video editor that cuts any silence, ahs and ums, so you can edit faster. You get to learn from pro creators like Pranita Bayoria, Ali Gallup, Sam Dawson, and more. This is everything you need to eliminate creative blocks and make great content. You even get a private community of Veed creators, so you can find your tribe. Click the link in the description to get Veed for 30% off, access to the exclusive live events, and the Veed Creators Discord. Thanks to Veed for sponsoring this video. But my fingers are just itching to create something on my own, and I'll actually show you a tool that you can edit these songs as well. If you don't like them exactly how they are, you can actually edit them or even take away the vocals. So stay tuned for that. So let's click on create. This is the page you land on, and you can see that I generated one song, but essentially it creates two different versions of the same song. But let's create a new one, and you can see that there is a custom mode here as well, where you can actually enter your own lyrics, or you can click on make random lyrics and then you can edit it later. As you can see, this is what it generated. Describe the style of music you want. Example, acoustic pop. Suno's models do not recognize artist names, but do understand genres and vibes. They also have the title here, which it says, give your song a title for sharing, discovery, and organization. So we're gonna start actually in the basic mode and move into the custom mode a little later. Now, the song description here that fills out is an uplifting country song about a literal banana. Let's literally just try blues guitar solo. I don't believe this will work really well because it will now try to create lyrics around the blues guitar solo, but let's just test. And just like that, in a couple of seconds, it's done. So let's listen to the first one.
I picked up my guitar,
Right away.
strumming those midnight blues, strange whispered secrets, the notes twined in hue. I played with my heart, letting the music unwind.
That's nice.
The sweetest melodies in the midnight I find.
Okay, come on.
Oh yeah, blues hit me deep in my soul.
Yeah, as you can see, you can't really generate the blues guitar solo. That's kind of something it does on its own, I think, based on the length and the context of the song. Let's try the second generation here with the blues guitar solo prompt.
I picked up guitar on lonesome night, sat on the porch under the pale moonlight, fingertips dancing on the strings, oh, so tender, blues notes wailing, so surrender. Let the midnight strike down my head, let the melody whiz through the midnight land. Guitar weeping echoes in the night so low. Oh, let the blues take me and my story be told.
Oh, add a little solo there. Come on.
I
No, we can't get it to generate a blues solo. I really think there is a way to do it. There are some buttons here, so we can go and click on remix. I think that will just remix the entire song, but the three options here have this continue from this clip. So maybe we can prompt it to have a guitar solo like in the middle of the song, because it's not normal to have it in the beginning. Let's click and find out. So what it did was actually enter the custom mode so we can generate more. Style of music, let me just say blues guitar guitar solo, and let's actually continue. Essentially just continuations of the song, so you can actually create a full-length song with this. Now let's try a different genre, like a pop song that could reach top 10 on TikTok. Continue. Here's the first iteration.
When the lights go down, we dip the town. No need to worry, got the world around. Oh yeah, just get your groove on, let the rhythm take control.
Damn.
We gon' party like we're out of control. Hands up in the air, we don't care.
Jeez, I could actually go top 10 on TikTok. I was just about to shake it to the left and shake it to the right. What about the second version that has literal TikTok anthem in brackets?
I woke up feeling like a superstar. Got my head down and ready for the bar. Put on my shades, feeling so fly. Gonna catch the rhythm, gonna touch the sky. We're gonna dance all night, dance, dance, dance. We're gonna party till the morning light. Everybody's moving.
It's just me, or does this sound like some sort of kids after school event song? We only have 10 credits left, which means one more generation, and let's make it count this time. Like hip hop boom bap beat with fast rapping. Here's the first iteration.
I'm here to revolutionize the rhyme. Spitting out so fast, I'm running out of time. Boom, that beat, kicking hard like the bass drum. My brain heating hot. The summer sun, yeah.
Damn.
My revolution, it's the new sound. Boom, that beats, bringing the underground. Fast-paced flows, I'm the lyrical king. Bringing the fire, making the whole world.
It's like good, but the flow wasn't really there. Let's try the second one.
Check the rhythm, check the rhyme. The beat is
God.
bumping, boom, bap, banging, yeah. We keep it jumping, fast and furious. The flow so slick, spin rhymes quick like a magic trick. Boom, 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 let the beat drop. I'm on the mic, I won't stop. Wordplay flying like a rocket in the sky. Fast rapping, bringing heat, no need to ask why. Boom, bap, boom, bap. The beat so fat, boom, bap, boom, bap. It hits you like a smack, boom, bap, boom, bap. The
I'm
rhythm
not
don't
sure
quit.
about the boom bap in the chorus. Actually, the verse was really good. I now have 0 credits left, which means that I can subscribe or sign up with a new Gmail account. I am gonna show you the price later though. Sign up, create your account, and oh, we got 50 credits left though. That's weird. Let's create some more. This is so much fun. We've done blues, we did pop, we've done hip hop, but can it do metal music? Like a metal gent song with a heavy breakdown? Here's number 1. What? It's good right away. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, come on. Do we get a solo? This is unreal. You can just make any genre. Okay, let's listen to the second one here. Okay, chorus time. Literal AI screamo. Did you hear that part right there? Just please guitar solo. Like, if you find out how, please drop it in the comments. I need to know. But if you don't like metal and you would rather be in a basement in Serbia dancing to techno music with other sweaty ravers, maybe we should generate a song like this. I'm gonna try custom mode and put lyrics to none because I don't make lyrics. Style of music, let's do literal progressive house and we just make random lyrics. Usually progressive house doesn't have that much lyrics though. And here we go.
Woke up this morning with a smile on my face. Birds are singing, feels like a perfect day. And my favorite jeans are feeling no small fine. Gonna catch the sunshine, gonna make it mine. Oh yeah, I got sunshine in my pockets.
I don't know, I don't like it. Let's go to the next one.
Woke up this morning with a smile on my face. Birds are singing.
Do we need to keep listening to this? It sounds like some like stock audio, some like royalty free music you can find on some shady website.
Feels like a perfect day.
Okay.
Got my favorite jeans on, feeling so fine. Gonna catch the sunshine, gonna make it mine. Ooh yeah.
Okay, chorus time. Let's see.
I got sunshine in my pocket, it's a beautiful sight. Gonna dance to the rhythm, gonna shine so bright. Don't need a reason, just gotta feel alive. I'm feeling good, yeah.
I didn't know that Serbian ravers listen to this. Let's see if we can do better. Actually, I like the non-custom mode. Let's try a country song with deep American voice about dirt road, my truck, and my boots. Here's the first example. All right, let's listen.
I'm that dirt road gravel beneath my boots.
Okay.
Driving in my truck, riding with my roots. Ooh yeah, headlights pierce the night, stars shining bright above. Sitting on a corner, feeling the country love. This dirt road, it's my symphony. Singing about freedom and a love that's wild and free. My truck and my boots, they're my company. On this journey down the road made just for you and me.
So we generated a lot of cool songs in a lot of different genres. I'm just beyond impressed. But what is the price? So if I click on subscribe down here, you can see they have a free plan, a pro plan, and a premier plan. If I click on monthly, you can see pro plan is 10 and premier is 30. And annual, you get a little savings. But what is the difference? So it seems like the main difference is the credits per day. So you actually get 5 credits per day, which is 10 songs for free. So that's already really good. If you just want to generate 5 per day, you can keep it completely free. However, there is non-commercial terms. No credit top-ups, shared generation queue, and 2 running jobs at once. When you go to the pricing plan of Pro on the monthly $10 a month, you can get 500 songs per month, generate commercial terms, optional credit top-ups, priority generation queue, and 10 running jobs at once. And this basically just goes up in numbers when you do the premier plan. So is it worth it? Well, if you're a musician, this is like an idea making machine. Mistletoe and Missing You, Grandma's Cherry Pie. And I've tested most of the AI generated music generators and this is by far the best one. So yeah, you can't go wrong. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Suno. I just really love the software and I hope you do too. Subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know how to edit these songs and pull out the stems so you can only get the bass and take away the vocals, I made a video here that you can check out, ripxdaw. I'll see you there. Peace.